Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P2279 indicates an intake air system leak in a Honda Civic from 2011 to 2015. This issue often affects the vehicle's performance and efficiency, as it can lead to inaccurate air-fuel mixture readings. The intake air system primarily consists of components such as the throttle body, intake manifold, PCV valve, and associated hoses. Any leaks within this system can disrupt the airflow, leading to suboptimal engine performance. It is crucial to address this issue promptly. Before beginning the troubleshooting procedure, it's essential to record all freeze-frame data and any onboard snapshots, as they provide valuable information for diagnosis. DTC P2279 signifies that there's a leak in the intake air system of the Honda Civic. This leak could be occurring in several places, such as the throttle body or PCV valve. The throttle body is located between the air intake and the engine, and it controls airflow into the engine based on the accelerator pedal position. The PCV, or positive crankcase ventilation, valve helps manage gases in the engine's crankcase. Any malfunction here can create leaks. The intake manifold is generally situated above the engine, directing air-fuel mixture from the throttle body to the cylinder. The proper functioning of all these components is crucial, and identifying any leaks is vital to maintaining engine performance. Common causes of DTC P2279 include various types of leaks in the intake air system, most notably vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks can occur in the hoses connecting the PCV valve to the engine, or from the throttle body to the intake manifold. A faulty PCV valve also poses a significant risk, as it can allow unwanted air to enter the system, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. Additionally, a damaged throttle body can create leaks, exacerbating the problem. Understanding these components helps in pinpointing the source of the leak. Each of these issues could lead to engine performance degradation, so prompt attention is essential. When experiencing issues related to DTC P2279, there are several symptoms that may become apparent. Firstly, poor engine performance is common, observed as a lack of power during acceleration. Increased fuel consumption may also occur due to the incorrect air-fuel mixture, since extra air leads to a lean condition. Additionally, rough idling can be another prominent symptom, where the engine may vibrate or oscillate while idling. These symptoms not only affect vehicle operation, but could also lead to long-term damage if not addressed. Understanding these indicators is crucial for timely intervention. In the first troubleshooting step of diagnosing DTC P2279, a thorough visual inspection is essential to identify any potential vacuum leaks present within the intake air system. Key components to inspect include the PCV valve and hose, the purge line, the throttle body, the intake manifold, the brake booster, and the brake booster hose. A careful check of these parts can reveal if any are damaged or not functioning as they should. If any leaks are found, it is vital to repair or replace those components before moving on to subsequent steps. A meticulous inspection is fundamental in ensuring the integrity of the air intake system. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P2279, the engine must be cooled to a specific temperature, below 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. This prevents any overheating conditions that might interfere with accurate testing. After cooling, it is necessary to clear the DTC using the HDS or Honda Diagnostics system. Following this, start the engine and allow it to idle for at least 10 seconds. During this period, the OBD, onboard diagnostics, status should be monitored to determine if DTC P2279 reappears. This step is essential in confirming whether the initial issue has been resolved or if further action is required. After addressing any identified issues related to DTC P2279, the final verification step ensures that repairs were successful. First, turn the ignition switch to the lock position to safely reconnect any electronics. Next, re-establish all electrical connections that may have been detached during the inspection. It's then critical to reset the ECM, or engine control module, with the HDS. This reset is necessary to clear any residual codes and allow the system to relearn from a clean slate. The idle learning procedure should be completed next, followed by another engine start and observation to monitor the OBD status. During the final repair verification for DTC P2279, it is crucial to check the OBD status once more after completing all necessary repairs. This step will clarify if the DTC indicates passed, which means the issue has been resolved, or if it shows failed, indicating further inspection is necessary. If the status reads executing, the system is still processing, requiring you to maintain the test conditions until a clear result appears. If any additional pending or confirmed DTCs arise, they must be troubleshot as well. Thorough verification ensures not only that the immediate issue has been handled, but also that no new problems are present. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in keeping the intake air system in good working condition and avoiding DTC P2279 in the future. Regular inspections of components like hoses and valves ensure they are not cracked, worn, or failing. It's critical to replace any damaged parts promptly, as they can lead to performance issues. Scheduling routine tune-ups helps maintain the engine's efficiency and may include checks of the ignition and fuel systems. Staying proactive in these maintenance tasks can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering similar DTCs, ensuring a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2279, which indicates an intake air system leak, involves a structured approach to troubleshooting. Identifying and repairing air leaks promptly is essential for ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently. Each step in the diagnostic process, from visual inspections to checking the OBD status, is crucial in isolating and resolving the issue effectively. Additionally, ongoing preventive maintenance, including routine inspections and timely repairs, plays a significant role in avoiding future complications. By following these procedures meticulously, vehicle owners can maintain optimal performance and reliability in their Honda Civics. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.